Head over to your project setting and toggle on the emulate touch for mouse. Next, you want to add a touchscreen button and rename to Joystick. Add a sprite 2D and rename to knob. Then you want to drag each button texture to each, link in the description below. To center your knob, you can do that by positioning the knob to half of the joystick texture size. Then I'm going to add a circle shape to our button and increase it to its radius to fill the joystick. Cool. Now I'm going to scale it down. Add a script to your joystick. Add a max distance variable, which is going to be the radius of the shape. We will declare a variable stick center, which is the center for our joystick. Next, we will declare the input event function and set process to true if the screen touch, else return the knob position to its center. In our process, we'll set the knob global position to its mouse global position and clamp the node so it doesn't go out of the joystick. Next, we'll create a function get joystick direction, which minuses the node position from its center and return a normalized vector for its direction. Nicely done. Our joysticks works well, and now let's add this to our player. I'm going to add a canvas and instance our joystick. Reposition your joystick and your player. Now let's add a script to our player. I'm going to delete this and paste this. Let's run our code. And great, it works perfectly. Please consider liking and subscribe to our channel, because in our next video I'm going to be working on a 2D platformer and you don't want to miss that out.